trades today, what's going on? It's me, your boy, Jerremy Newsome. I trust you're doing splendid. We have so many good things to look at. I do have a new day trade to update you on. Here's the day trade. It was a very, very small win. Sonic. Thought I was going to fade. Actually, I haven't looked at it since I got out. SONC. Just to see if I made the right move. Yes, I did. All right. Beautiful exit. Okay, so I'm just going to update that one. Again, just so you can kind of track and see what trades I've been playing. And again, just from a day trade perspective. If you all do want to day trade with me, just let me know. June 18th, free week coming up. Okay, cool. So, swing trades. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's go check out Weed, W-E-E-D, for my Canadians and just for other traders as well. Canadians can be certainly taking part of this, but I still like it. I like the moving averages. Keep holding. Looks good. Nothing to worry about right now. Next on the list, EVHC. We'll find out. Just being patient with it. Hopefully it'll bounce. Volume is still light. We're down almost half an hour. I like the 20 EMA. Keeping my eyes out for a breakout. That's what I'm hoping for. Okay, so next on the list is Raytheon, ticker symbol RTN. And Raytheon, still trading sideways, still like that setup. A lot of good movement there, ready for a breakout. So that's Raytheon, looks okay. Next on the list, Home Depot had a killer day today. HD up 1.3%. We are rocking and rolling on that trade, folks. I mean, seriously, if we hit 207.39, that'll be a huge win. It's going to take some time. But this is certainly some type of wave 3. So we're going to wait. We're going to wait for a breakout. And we're just going to be cool about it. So Home Depot, boring blue chip stock. Again, folks, you can make some great gains on just your general, average, everyday, ordinary stocks. Doesn't have to be anything insane. That is one of those examples. Okay, next is HPE. And HPE, we had a little bit of a pullback in the tech market today. HPE still up, still retesting. You got the 200 simple. Nothing too crazy going on, so I guess we'll just keep holding on to that one. Then we have SOGO, which did retest a little bit today. Still chilling. Overall, it's down 3%, but it looks like a flag pattern to me. Huge white candle, right? So it did hit 2R, haven't exited yet. Some good looking move and just hoping to see if it can bounce higher. Gotta get a little bit of room though. Moving averages are doing their thing. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye on SOGO. If we need to lock in profits on that one, we will at some point. And then we have Nike. So we can just go ahead and cancel Nike. We missed this one. It ran without us. Well, actually, looking at today's candle, at one point today's candle was entirely white. That's interesting. 5-minute chart, wow. Okay, so I just took my eyes off this one too quickly. Okay, well, that upper SHAR, I mean, we could retest, so let's just leave that open actually. See if we can buy a pullback. FAS, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations around the world for this one. Beautiful trade, snagged it, gorgeous, playing that doji, playing that gap. I love it. 70.18, hitting our target. Another solid winner, ladies and gentlemen. Another one. Man, I mean, we are tearing up the charts right now. So, sorry, I typed it in wrong. I was like, wait, we didn't get 3.5 R's. 70.18. Okay, I was about to say 3 R's. That's an extra $250 right there. So 3.5 R's, not happening, but 3 R's did. It was a beautiful trade. Right, exit at 3 R's rather than 2 on FAS. Beautiful, beautiful job. Well done on that trade. Killer. 22 R's, ladies and gentlemen. This is so good. Doing so good right now. Here's BIB. And BIB on the daily chart did trigger. So we're in on that one. That's going to be a long, long one. So let's just do that one, do its thing. But it did trigger. So we can put that at 57.77. Next on the list is QD. And QD traded sideways for the most part. What I did is I updated it to take a breakout. So we're gapping down a little bit right now, pre-market, but the high of today was 985. So 990, I really like this breakout a lot on QD. So you can just update that 990 stop, 853. And I'm going to throw that in right here. So new trade on QD. Updated, looks very nice. Ready for that one to pop out of here. Snapchat was down 3%. I do like the lower shadow. It did retest today. This is certainly an evening star. And I have debates on this one. I can't determine if I want to cancel it or leave it open, because if it breaks this wick, it will go a little bit lower. My question is just how much lower, right? So, that's tough. Very pretty lower shadow. Just really, really nice. I'm just trying to really figure out if it breaks this low, where does it go? Should I put the entry here at 1171 and move my stop down? Do we just leave it alone? Do we have even a lower stop? Do we do like half an hour at one price, half an hour at another? That seems like a really good plan. Let's do half an hour where we have it, and then another half an hour right here. Okay, bullish limit by half an hour. So we'll do 2 half an hour prices just in case, and that'll be the update. So what we'll do is I'm going to take this one out and I'll put this one in here. And remember, just keep in mind, so 6/7/2018 Snapchat. So we're going to do 2 trades. And we're going to leave it at 200 shares, but we're going to take half of the shares on each one for this particular setup. So we have 1148 with a stop at 1033. And this is going to be a new stop at 1033. So same exact procedure, just a little bit of a different setup. Still looks good. I still like it. We're just keeping an eye on how far it's going to pull back. So it's a retest gap, open because it's not triggered yet. And I'll put it right here. And again, just as an update, I'll make sure we write it in. Snapchat, half R of risk. And come down here, put that here as well. Here we go. Come on. Half R of risk. Perfect. And that is Snapchat. So very small update on that one. And then Disney. So here's DIS. And Disney did trigger 163. I actually took a option trade on this one, as you all know. I exited this one for 1R. But our trade did fill. 103.53 would be a pretty decent target. We're going to see how far Disney can go. But this one is open. Active. 163. So Disney, gorgeous pop. Deutsche Bank, ticker symbol DB, slowly churning and burning. So Deutsche Bank, 1122 is where we want to snag it at. The low of today was 1125. I honestly do forget exactly what time we posted this one because I am in on Deutsche Bank. Let me hop over here on a 5-minute chart. So this is today. So yesterday, up until 11 Eastern, it would have filled. I really just forget exactly what time I posted that video. But I'm gonna put in Deutsche Bank as active because I'm in. If you're not in, that's absolutely okay. Just look to buy on a pullback or look to play it. But this is purely based on this volume in this candle right here. That's the only time. The only reason I'm taking this trade. That and it's Deutsche Bank, right? If this stock fails and goes to zero, we're gonna have a big issue. So I am in Deutsche Bank, 1122. We'll see what she does. So there's Snapchat. Now, as far as new trades go, TGOD I think is the only other one I can find. And this is the Green Dutchman Organic Holdings. Sounds like a marijuana company, because it is. So I'm thinking about buying the dip on this one. And we're just going to see if we can actually get a pullback on it. I don't know if we will or not, but the trend is amazing. The volume is amazing. Newer IPO just happened. And here's a bullish limit buy. Something like this on the Green Organic Dutchman Holding. 633 by 450. Just looking to do a pullback on that. So here we go, 6. Today is also the 7th, 2018, TGOD, and entry at 633 with a stop loss at 450. Shares, again, bullish. It's good. And it is a retest gap open because it's not triggered yet, and we'll put it right there. So from here, I also wanted to set up CHK. Challenge was it was going to be set up, and by the time I looked at it, it was already gone. So I looked at this one yesterday in the afternoon swing trading room. Here was the kind of the candle pattern. Wanted to enter here with the stop right there, just based on that triangle pattern, and it gapped up. It didn't trigger me in any way, and just kind of ran by itself. So we're just gonna have one for today. We did update on Snapchat. We did exit FAS. Feeling good, trading good, looking good. All these things. We'll just kind of keep eyes on what else is going to be happening, but we'll continue updating this worksheet, continue building it out. But 90 trade ideas, trades of the day, and trade setups, and we've had some absolute rocking winners, ladies and gentlemen. Proud of you. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this is enriching and enlightening and informational. I will see you all tomorrow.